Hello learners. Now that you are familiar with the research process, let's start the next topic that will give you a deeper insight into the first step of the research process, that is, the research problem. In simple words, research problem is the topic on which a researcher wants to conduct a research. More specifically, it is a situation that induces the researcher to feel doubtful and perplexed. For example, showrooming is a new phenomenon where a customer visits a shop or shops in order to examine a product before buying it online at a lower price. A researcher may be interested in finding the factors leading to the showrooming, and he may define the research problem as a study on antecedents of showrooming. To gain a better understanding of the concept, let's discuss few viewpoints. According to John Dewey, a problem represents the situation identified by the researcher for which he seeks a solution. According to Kurlinger, a problem is an interrogative sentence or a statement that asks what relation exists between two or more variables. The answer to the question will provide what is being sought in the research. More specifically, a research problem is a clear and precise statement of the questions or issues that are to be investigated with the goal of finding an answer or a solution. It is very important for the researcher to spend appropriate time to correctly identify the research problem. The research will be useless or even harmful if the problem is wrongly identified. For example, a company notices that the sale volume of one of its products is declining for the last 6 months, and the company attributes the reasons to faulty advertising and promotion. Therefore, the company decides to conduct a research on advertising and promotional strategies. However, the actual reason for sales decline was poor quality of product and wrong targeting of the customers. So in this case, the research will not bring any fruitful results as the problem identified here is incorrect. Let's now discuss the significance of the research problem. It is often said that if a researcher is given 60 minutes to conduct a research, he should spend 50 minutes to define and refine the research problem, and the rest of the 10 minutes to solve the problem. A well-defined research problem helps the researcher in many ways. It precisely defines the scope of study. It helps in identifying suitable research designs. It also helps in keeping the researcher on the track. It helps in exploring data, techniques, and other aspects of the research in an efficient manner. It ensures classification of important data from unimportant data.